Inspire, motivate, challenge.
To my next question. So of course we worked together.
Yeah.
GSK. I particularly remember between 2009, if I'm not wrong, and 2011. I particularly remember that we achieved something, under your leadership. It's not very common. Maybe I'm just going to be very, just give a very ballpark figure. But I think the business at the time for the company was probably somewhere around $13 million. I mean, if you use today's exchange rate. And then we doubled that in 2 years. Under your leadership. So I just wanted to, you to share with us, like, what were some of the factors, or what were some of the things that, you did to get the company to such a remarkable achievement in such a short time?
Okay, so I love the Nigerian spirit, and whatever we achieved in that space of time, I give it the credit to the team I work with. I just provided the leadership, but it was all team work, and we were not caught unaware. Nigerians are very futuristic. They are very committed set of people. I think it all started when we decided, look, what can we do to this business? And I say, guys, you know what? We booked an hotel. We didn't sleep there. We went for a retreat, a one-day retreat. We went to one of the hotels in Lagos, the top management and some direct reports, and we brainstormed. Say, look at this business. What can we do? What can we not do better? And all that. Can we not grow this business? Okay, fine. And at the end of the day, we got a plan. We developed a plan. But we didn't put the plan forward. It was just brainstorming exercise. Right? Then there was a leadership change at the regional level. We now had a senior vice president, Middle East and Africa, and he came on market visit. We started our typical presentation. After I presented, I said, look, guys, I'm not here for presentation. I'm not here for presentation. Tell me what we need to do to grow this business. You and your team, go and work it out. I'll give you 24 hours. I'll give you 24 hours. So the saving grace was we already had a plan, which we had not submitted as a business case to management for approval. So I think the crux of the business case was, look, you cannot continue to do things same way and expect a different result. We use quite a number of data sets to evaluate where potential lies and how we can tap those potentials. We realized that in terms of our footprint, the company has been using same set of reps, number of reps, from almost 20 years or 30 years. And when we look at our GDP data across, Nigeria, we could see that there are places that the income has gone up. There are places when you look at healthcare infrastructure and personnel, they are quite sizable and all that. And we looked at our portfolio. Are they fit for purpose for those areas? And we saw that, we actually have a fantastic portfolio. Some are for the make commercial, series. Some we play well in some other towns and villages. So we are like tier 1, tier 2, what portfolio can play there. So within all that, we came out with a plan. and the SVP was blown off. He didn't realize we had walked away. Yes, now. He just said, you mean you guys can bring up this plan within 24 hours? Wow, this is so fine. So we brought it, and initially we said we'll double the business within 1 year. He said, no, I'll give it 2 years. Don't worry, I'll give it 2 years. Let's do it within 2 years and what have you. So we invested, employed more reps, opened up more territories, and got the team to be in tune. So again, it was a great experience for me doing a turnaround during that period, because I realized that the buying of the workforce is very critical to the success of the project. So after we've written the plan, we set up several other committees across different departments, supply chain, HR, to come up with how they can tie into this aspiration. We already had the plan, and we knew whatever they were coming up will not be too different, but it gave them the ownership, the buy-in to be seen as we are part of this plan and not top down. So we did like a bit of bottom up, and they took ownership. We had metrics, how to track how we're winning in the various departments and what have you. So it was really great. But one critical aspect of it was the one of engagement and communication. We ensured that we created opportunity to update the entire workforce on progress on the journey. In fact, we christened the project Yes We Can. We had t-shirts, face caps, it was pure branding, just to make sure everybody lined up to that aspiration, vision. It's projects Yes We Can, Yes We Can, Yes We Can. And I'm grateful to all the guys. We worked hard, and within about 2 years, we actually doubled the size of the business. And that sets the company on a high growth, momentum, trajectory.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I remember, I think one of the big things, just as you have said, is your ability to make everybody buy into the vision. I think that was very, very key.
Very key.
In addition to all the plans and expanding the field force, which was very clearly, very clear, resulting in that success. But I think for some reason we all believed.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If people don't believe in it, then it's all, it will fall flat. Yeah.
All right, thanks.